the ticket scan. This is wild. Holy shit. All right, let's do this. All right, Creamfields, Hong Kong walkthrough. As soon as you come in, this is what you see. Main stage is right in front of you. I'm thinking this is like VIP table service. So let's go and see. And we're gonna walk the whole thing. More booths, food, token, bar, side stage. Okay, so there's 2 stages. I don't think there's anything over here except bathrooms. Like this little covered part to chill. All right. Also, they didn't really like check my bag. They, I guess, have a certain size bag that you can bring, so they made sure that it was within that. Okay, free water. Stay hydrated, stay safe. All right, we love a free water, and they like provided bing bag, so you can just chill. All right, very cool. We love festivals that promote safety and drinking water. I'll have to get somebody to take pictures of me. Actually, I want to meet somebody here. All right, so I'm seeing some foreigners, so that's cool. But I'm the only one dressed the way that I am, and that's fine. More VIP here. Building so pretty. Look at the water. So that's the mainland. We're on Hong Kong Island right now. Merchandise. Let's go look at the merch. More VIP. Okay, we're gonna do a loop and then I'm gonna come back to the merch. Just in case. Forgot. We're at Creamfields. Look at this lineup. I'm most excited for Above and Beyond and John Summit. Oh. Okay, so what I read is like you have to get tokens. So that's what this is in order to buy food and drinks and things like that. Well, let's go look at the types of food that they have. Coconut Shake Shack. What's Shake Shack doing here? All right, so it looks like they only have Shake Shack in that Thai restaurant. Oh, there's pizza. Okay, so here's the bar. We're not drinking. We're sober girly. All right, I'm seeing a lot of foreigners here actually, so that's cool. I'm not the only one. But again, I'm the only one dressed like me so far. Okay, hell yeah. Pizza. And yakisoba goose. Whatever that is. I see popcorn. So this is a little stage, all right. The hard stage, I guess. The token thing. I love seeing the buildings. It reminds me of Ultra Miami. More bathrooms. Bar. Let's see, portable charging station, first aid, free water. Oh my God, that's right. I did see they were advertising a, let's go look. You can get your makeup done here. Oh my God, look at this. I wonder how much it is. I mean, my makeup's already done, but. Beauty pass. That is so freaking cool. Again, my makeup's already done, so I don't need that. All right, let's go look at the merch. Oh my God. All right, official merchandise. Do I want chain smokers? Okay, so they only have chain smoker shirt and then those like weird collared ones. Not my vibe. All right, I don't want any merch. And some hats. Okay. I'm good on the merch. But okay, so this was the Creamfields Hong Kong walkthrough. Very kind of small, condensed, but we like that. So